Hi there, in this tutorial I'm gonna show how to display all network adapter that we have in our Debian server. We can using this command IP link show like this. One, this is loopback is localhost or 127.0.0.1 like localhost usually. Number two is ENP0S3. This is my Ethernet using VirtualBox. And number three also ENP0S8 using VirtualBox also. Now let's edit one of the already networks. Okay, this is I want using the secondary network for auto because the name is ENP0S8. Okay, I want to see again because okay, ENP0S8, right? Next, let's configure again. Allow desktop like ENP0S8 for EVs ENP0S8 inet static. I'm using address 100. I'm sorry. There is mistake, guys, because I don't want to edit this. Address is 100. Sorry, my number in keyboard is a problem. 100 point. Okay, netmask is and the gateway. Okay, point one for example, and using network uh, point zero, and then the last is broadcast 192.168.0.255, and let's save and hit this and init.d slash networking, then restart. I'm sorry. Let oh here. Okay, IP address. Okay, there is, guys. The ENP0S8 is 192.168.0.200, and we done. That's all tutorial how to show our existing Ethernet in Debian server. Thanks for watching and bye bye.